Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of snoring. There is nothing worse than sleeping in the same room with someone who snores. Sleeping apnea or snoring is a serious sleep disorder if left untreated. So how to get rid of snoring habits? We usually snore when the movement of the air that we breathe in and out is obstructed due to cold, sinus, being overweighted, or when the throat muscle relax. Snoring is a very common problem affecting nearly 90 million men and women in the United States. This annoying sound can disrupt your sleep as well as your partner's. Habitual snoring is very dangerous and can lead to stroke, high blood pressure, and heart attack. Numerous products are available to treat snoring, but most of them have not been proven effective. There is no miracle cure for snoring, but certain lifestyle changes and easy home remedies can be a big help in controlling it. Here are a few home remedies for snoring. Home remedy number 1: Steam. Nasal congestion is one of the main reasons behind snoring. One of the best solutions for reducing congestion is to inhale steam. Pour hot boiling water in a large bowl. Add 3 or 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil or tea tree essential oil. Hold a towel over your head and inhale the steam deeply through your nose for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily before going to bed until your congestion clears. Home remedy number 2: Cardamom. Cardamom is an expectorant and decongestant, making it effective for opening up blocked nasal passages. Free air passages will result in less snoring. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder to a glass of warm water. Drink it 30 minutes before going to bed. Do this daily to gradually reduce your snoring. Home remedy number 3: Honey. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help clean the throat. When we snore, our throat becomes sore as it swells up, so honey helps reduce this swelling. Drink a glass of warm water mixed with a teaspoon of honey every day at night before going to bed. The warm water will relax the rigid muscle. Home remedy number 4: Eucalyptus oil. This is one of the excellent snoring solutions, especially when you have cold. Eucalyptus opens up nasal passage so that you can breathe easily. Its anti-inflammatory properties control swelling in the nostrils. You may rub some oil on your nose or add the oil to some boiling water and inhale the steam. Home remedy number 5: Peppermint. The anti-inflammatory properties in peppermint help reduce swelling of the membranes in the lining of the throat and nostrils, thus promoting easy and smooth breathing. Add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint oil to a glass of water. Gargle with it before going to bed. Make sure not to swallow this solution. Do this daily until you get the desired result. Home remedy number 6: Olive oil. Being a strong anti-inflammatory agent, olive oil eases the tissues all along the respiratory passages, reduce the swelling to provide a clear passage for air. It can also reduce soreness. Take 2 or 3 sips of olive oil before going to bed daily. Combine 1/2 teaspoon each of olive oil and honey. Consume it daily before going to bed. Home remedy number 7: Turmeric. Being a powerful antiseptic and antibiotic agent, turmeric can treat inflammation and help reduce heavy snoring. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk. Drink it 30 minutes before going to sleep. Do this daily. Home remedy number 8: Clarified butter. Clarified butter, also known as ghee, has certain medicinal properties that can help open up blocked nasal passages. This will help you snore less and sleep better. Slightly warm a small amount of clarified butter in a microwave. Use a dropper to put 2 or 3 drops of lukewarm clarified butter in each nostril. Do this daily before going to bed and again after waking up the next morning. Home remedy number 9: Sage. Sage has many properties such as anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive, and antimicrobial. It controls swelling and production of mucus that blocks the air passage in the nose and throat. Add a handful of sage leaves to a pot of boiling water. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the water. Now drape a towel around your head and lean on the water vessel. Inhale the steam. Home remedy number 10: Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea helps prevent seasonal allergies which affect the upper respiratory system of our body. To make nettle leaf tea, take about 1 teaspoon of tea leaves in a kettle. Boil 1 cup of water and then pour it on the leaves. Cover the kettle and let the tea steep for 5 minutes. Strain the tea in a cup and drink it. Drink 3 cups daily for effective results. Home remedy number 11, Neti Pot. This remedy helps clear a stuffy nose and reduce your snoring. Fill the neti pot with saline water. Stand over the wash basin with your head tilted sideward. Pour the water into the upper nostril using the long beak of the pot. Take care not to let the water go into your throat. The water should come out through the lower nostril. Tilt your head on the opposite side. Repeat the same process again. By incorporating these preventive measures along with any of these remedies above, you will be able to reduce or eliminate snoring and get a good night's sleep. So apply these remedies as per set direction to get rid of snoring instantly. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.